This is my Gumball machine. I made about maybe 25 minutes build and a 25 minutes spill. So I show you basic deze. So die beste keer and a Gumball right there. So we load it and that's it. But as you can see, I think I'm gonna do whenever you push this button, you push the key in, and Gumball can whenever you just shoot, and a good push. You have to push and the Gumball right there. So whenever you push, so if you never use the pushing end, so if you the floor, so if you the mechanism right here, this you get to stop off. Put that back on. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe.